Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, so far we have got pretty much idea about what is SEPM, how exactly SEPM get installed and how to create the local as well as custom user by integrating Active Directory with SEPM server. And now in this particular video, before we jump into the all configuration related stuff, I really want you guys to understand what is SEPM console and how to access and what are the high level features which is available. So this will be very quick video, okay, just to demonstrate what are the things are available inside the SEPM console. So to get started, let me open the SEPM console. So there is a total two way how exactly you will be able to open SEPM console just by going into the when you install SEPM server, you will see here there are total two option available. One is web access and second is your manager exe directly, right? So this is our management exe of which I have created the shortcut, and the SEPM console access URL is this one, okay, 8443. so you will simply have to enter the IP address or host name of your server and the port number. So this is through which you will be able to access your SEPM console using the browser from any computer, okay, in the network. If this particular URL and port is reachable from that machine, then you will be able to access your console. You don't have to log in to the SEPM server each and every time. So hopefully the first thing is clear, that how exactly you will be able to access the SEPM console. Now let me log in using the SEPM console exe. Let's enter the password and log on. Once you guys logged in, you will see the get started page, okay. This is pretty much useful to navigate the things as and when you want, okay. You can take the tour, run commands, move clients, launch advanced activity and other stuff. Currently my license is inactivate, so if you would like to activate the license, then very first, if this is a production, then you will have to activate the product, okay. To activate the product, you can directly click on this particular link or directly go to the admin and then license. Here also you will be able to activate the license. So I have few days left, so I'll use this particular server without license. And how exactly, if you ever receive license, then there is a simple way. You can simply click on activate license, but I'll create dedicated video on that topic so that you will get more idea that how to activate or renew license in your SEPM console, okay. So this thing is done. So let me go to the home page, and here is our name, that is SEPM Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. Then here we have option called latest alert, which will time to time update you on what are the things going on. So when you click on this latest alert, it will open one new page into the browser and give the little bit of information on the things which is going on, okay. See, lots of things, article number, alert number. So if you want, you can just go through with that. And when you click on this particular Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager, it will open this small wizard which will explain you on which number you are currently running your SEPM, what is the bill and some of the internal information. Similarly, if you want to refresh your SEPM console, just you'll have to click on this particular refresh button and it will get refresh. Similarly, if you want additional help related things, then you can navigate this option like help topics, contact support, diagnostic tool, console log and so on. For the logging up, you will have to click on this log up button. Security status. So once you have system installed with SAP agent, then you will get this particular things visible. License related information, security code response, active summary, like how many viruses has been blocked or what are the type of viruses. So these particular things you will get in this particular activity summary section. And here is the update status, okay. Virus definition, this is one of the crucial things which you will have to refer on daily basis, and some of the favorite pre-configured reports. So in monitor log section, you will be able to find it out the log section, okay, what are the things are available. It could be audit log and other stuff, and it will be able to page the logs accordingly and show you, okay. You have couple of more filters available here, how exactly things works. If you want, you can go into the advanced or I can say additional settings. where you will be able to specify one of the computer and other stuffs, of which you will be able to granularly filter the things and get the more information. Okay, once the things are done, you can click on view logs and it will show the data to you. Okay, similarly, when you go to the summary section, once the SEP agent is installed, okay, it started capturing the logs, viruses and other stuffs, you will get these particular things filled up. Under the command section, what are the commands you are triggering, okay, it will give the information here. In notification also, okay, let me just go to the notification conditions. So these are the couple of things like risk outbreak or license period is getting expire. So this type of notification you can configure to receive the email, okay, as and when it's reached to that threshold. Like send email to the administrator, send email to the any additional email ID. If you want to enter, you can enter it, okay, and it will trigger the notification that when exactly our license is getting expired, so that without logging into the console, we'll get the all information directly reached to our inbox, okay, and accordingly you can save your filters so that you can use later on as and when it's required. Similarly, when you go to the reports, so here basically guys, when you inside the quick reports, you can create, okay, a report as per your requirement. All through I'll be explaining you again when we'll execute some of the viruses and other stuffs. But yeah, and here you have additional settings, so it's just work perfectly. But the only thing is, initially you will have to spend some time and fine tune what exactly your need is, okay. Then schedule reports. So let's say one of the reports you have created, and if you think okay, this is the best, then you can click on save that report template and then schedule it, so that as and when you want that report, you will get it into your inbox, or you can manually run that report, and that's it. Inside the policy, so here we have a couple of policies. Like when I go to the virus and spyware protection, you can see balance, high security, high performance. These type of policies are available, which can be easily customizable. Okay, so let's say I'm going to the one of the policy, and here inside again there are a couple of things available. All through when we test virus related things, we'll touch all the things in depth. Spyware protection policy basically helps you protect your PCs from the virus related things, okay, so that your PC will not get compromised. Under the firewall, you'll be able to control the communication, whether what things will be allowed, blocked. It's like a stateful firewall. Intrusion prevention, again, you will be able to control lots of things, and it's one of the really good feature, I would say. You can simply click on add. So many things are available, guys. Now application and device control, here you will be able to block, allow your external removal storage devices. The host integrity works with it has lots of power. The only thing is how you implement, that is what very important. Okay, you can configure the multiple condition as per your choice. You can isolate PC and other stuff, lots of things you can do it with this particular host integrity. Then live update, how that you would like your Symantec agent or manager PC to be updated, definition to be updated, and what are the content, right? Then memory exploit mitigation, that is also one of the very good policy which helps us in various vulnerabilities. Now let me cancel this. Web and cloud access protection. Okay, so this is something normal which I'll explain you later. Then exception, if you would like, you can add things into the exception so that those things will be not monitored. Let me just go to the edit policy and show you. See, here you will be able to add your exceptions. Okay, what exactly you would like to add. Now client upgrade, edit the policies. When exactly you would like your client to be upgraded in your environment. So this is some of the things which you can control here. Then policy components, here again we have scan templates, management server list, file fingerprints, and lots of things. Okay, this is also will be going to touch in a little bit, because what are the things you are going to see it here. Okay, some of the things you will be able to call into the policy, like for an example, hardware devices, right? So hardware devices, whatever is available here, list down. Okay, you will be able to recall these things into the application and device control policy. And if you add any new device, it could be your class ID, device instance path, then whatever things you are going to add into here, it will be listed out in this master list. Let me just show you, just so that you won't get confused. So when I select this particular things, edit policy, device control, and let's say add device. So whatever earlier we have seen devices inside the hardware devices, all are seen here, right? Now let me just cancel this. And after clicking on any of the policy, you will see the associated options are gets visible into the below task screen. Now let's go to the clients. So in clients, these are the my company's default name, inside which our all groups will be presented. So default group is also one of the group, and if you want, you can click on my company and add a multiple group the way you want. Okay, and you can create the hierarchy so that it's basically you be helpful for you to manage your things very proactively, or you can say smoothly. This also helps creating the subgroup is also help you to sometimes keeping the things separate, like let's say HR department is separate, financial department is separate, or you can say your India location, Dubai location, America. So that's how you will be able to keep the things separately. Then when I go to the policies, whatever policies we have saw earlier is applied to these groups, okay, and same things is visible here. So if you want to change any of the policy, you can simply click on task, replace policy and other stuff. Okay, I'll go into the more details, don't worry guys, because we have to reach certain level into the video sections, okay, so that I'll be able to dig down in details. Install packages, then again admin, this is a trial, what are the administrator we have available here, domains. Then if you want to add any domain, and here you will be able to add your domains guys. Okay, so we'll be adding our domain later on. Now click on servers. So here our SEPM site, then install package. Here you will be able to see the packages of 32, 64-bit for Windows as well as Mac. Then under the license, it shows the license, whether it's active, inactive, and the current status of the license. Now advanced security. Here we will get some in advanced integration option. So right now, as you could see, it's not connected, but if you want to connect, then you just simply have to enter the enrollment token, and that's it. So that's how you will be able to integrate this with your cyber defense. So I hope you have found this particular video useful, because I just wanted to show you what are the options are available instead of going in detail in each and every section, so that whenever we'll touch those sections, you will get the more idea in our upcoming days. And as always, if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues who are interested to learn Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button, because there are lots of things I'm going to publish in my upcoming days. So that's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.